So if you want to reset your DSTV decoder, you pick up your remote right here, then you look for the blue logo over here, you press OK on it, and then you use the left and right arrow keys over here, you look for settings, and then you use the top and down arrow keys, come down to system settings, and then you press OK middle here to move on. Use the arrow top and down, come down to reset decoder settings, and then you press OK, and then you come down to factory reset to factory default, and then you press OK, proceed, and then here you move down to reset to factory default, and then you press OK on the remote to proceed. So if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and then hit the notification bell. Alright.